Okay guys, so this is today's prank.
I ain't ducking niggas, I ain't ducking bullets either. Shit, I ain't ducked so since I became a beater.
What's up you guys and welcome back to another video.
It's been so long that I forgot how to do it.
You forgot how to talk.
Alright guys, so we apologize for not posting so much as we'd like to. We've been super
Luis's
busy.
car broke and he had to get another one.
Yeah, to cut things short.
That's the point.
That's
it broke,
exactly what happened.
and he got a truck now, so we might be showing you guys what the truck looks like because we both freaking love it.
If you guys have me on Snapchat, I
guys
post
probably
pictures
already
of
saw.
my truck like all the time.
Every single day. He posts more pictures of his truck than he does of me.
We're the guests today. My name is Brian. I'm Luis's brother. That's why I'm so cute.
And then that's Nolan. No,
Bro, can I get off right now?
I'm sorry. That's not well, babe. What the hell?
Is it
Did you guys open these?
No.
Dead ass?
They were open.
Damn. No, is it recording?
What the heck? Yeah. You guys really didn't open them?
Hold on, I'm about to trigger.
Babe, they sold me some fucking open ass Pringles.
Yo, I'm about to trigger your whole fan base. Ready?
Walgreens, I'm gonna go back and freaking give you this shit back.
Yo, hold on. I'm about to trigger your whole fan base real quick.
What?
It's a Kit Kat.
You should have deep throated.
13 years ago?
You just kind of retarded. That's why you look like that.
Did they just honk at you?
It was to the guy up front, I think.
Oh.
No, I think they actually honked at you.
Yeah.
Damn.
I think they want to smoke, bro.
Shut the fuck up. It was
I think they recognized us. That's why.
They recognize, bro.
They're recognizing us.
They recognized
They
the real-
recognized our foreheads, bro. It's crazy.
What are you doing? Guys, he's been doing this for like the past, how long have we been driving for?
There's this like
10 minutes.
plastic thing that keeps rattling down here. I need to like zip tie it or something. Look.
It's not plastic, it's a rattlesnake, bro.
Look.
Yeah, it's a rattle. Oh, no.
Ah, there's a train. Look at that.
Hey, yo.
Guys, we're definitely not making it to the mall anytime soon.
And it's a Sunday, so we're screwed.
I know. I feel like, they close everything early.
Should we eat freestyle or what?
Okay, go.
Play that cheeky finito beat.
Look for a beat.
I'm holding the camera. Oy.
Oh, bet. You actually want me to put a beat?
I will.
This is gonna die.
Already?
You told me to charge the camera.
It was already charged.
Clearly it's not. Now we have to buy another freaking battery.
It's my line battery, so.
Yo, you guys ate all the Kit Kats, you lard asses? I wanted some.
There's some right here, fool.
Oh.
They saved you one. They said they were gonna share.
He said there's here right. Wait, what'd you say? There's here right some?
Share right some.
That's what I heard. There's here right some.
What?
There's some right here, right?
There's some right here. That's what I said.
And then you said boo.
Boo?
Yeah, you're like there's some right here, boo.
I didn't say
Yeah, you did. I heard that shit.
You said fool.
Oh, I thought you said,
F-O-O.
oh, I thought you said boo. I'm like, damn.
Boo. Aw,
Like I
boo.
feel special. I have to explain why I look like shit.
Because you didn't shower.
So last night we had a little party at my house, and I went to sleep really late. We woke up.
In a
Not
quarter
super
mile,
late,
use the
but
right
it was
lane to
kinda
take
late.
the Illinois 21 North Milwaukee
We were
Avenue
starving,
ramp.
so we went straight to eat. I didn't have time to shower. Now we're heading to the
And he still hasn't showered.
outlets, and I haven't showered, which is
Use the
gross.
right lane to
swear
take the Illinois
God,
21
I don't-
ramp.
I don't normally do that,
The
but
right lane to take. Someone else is gonna have to put their GPS. I think you or something.
Did someone beep again, bro?
that's not towards me. No.
Bro, I think that's towards you.
That is not towards me.
Why is he beeping?
That's not towards
Are you
me.
in the
That's
middle?
towards you, bro. They beeped twice.
Yo.
3 times now, bro. Yeah, it's not towards me.
I think they know us, bro.
Can you disconnect? Yeah, they're like, it's all YouTubers. Can you disconnect and connect again, please?
It's towards you.
It's not towards me. It's towards you.
Who else would he be beeping at? He's right behind you.
Continue on Oakland Road for 1 mile.
Tender like a strip. I'm like, oh my gosh, Shawty came in with the drip. I like her and a friend came for the show. Her.
I have more kills than you. Bro, why didn't you guys just kiss already?
Yeah, no ride home. And then a car pulls up.
I think it might be towards me, dude.
What are you doing? You're not driving right. That's
Do you
why.
have like your lights off or something? Like, I'm like, is like your light broken or something? Or what's up?
Turn right onto
You're a Turner. I hate you that you're not a good driver. You should let your girlfriend drive your truck. Guys, they have a freaking Chihuahua, and me and Luis have been dating for 5 years, and the Chihuahua still hates me. Like, he barks at me every single day. Like, he can like hear and smell my car when it like pulls up into their driveway. As soon as I'm like a block away, he starts barking like crazy. Like, he hates me. I don't know why. I've never done anything to him.
He feels the bad vibe from you.
Oh, the bad vibe.
Paco knows what's good.
He's cute, but he's really mean.
You said
But
he was
only to
ugly
me.
last time. You called Paco ugly? Yeah, that's probably why he doesn't like you.
He pissed me off, dude. I literally cannot do anything without that dog barking at me. Like, it's like nonstop. He's just barking
You're
and barking
just like,
and
why
barking.
are his eyes so big?
It's 4:30. We're not gonna get there till it says 4:41. But knowing Luis, he's gonna get lost again. So we're not gonna get there till like 5. So we're only gonna be there for like, I'm assuming like less than like 30 minutes.
Left?
Less than 30 minutes.
Mike Tyson?
Shut up! Less than 30 minutes. I'm gonna say carro.
Car.
Carro.
Car.
In Spanish.
Car.
In Español, say it.
Vehículo.
Carro.
Vehículo.
Say carro.
Automóvil.
He's laughing that I freaking slurred a little bit. He can't say carro.
Deadass, you can't say car.
No.
I can't roll my R's. I'm being dead ass.
Try say it then.
If it says right, he's like
Carro. He's like carro. Es un carro. So don't be making fun of me if you don't want me to make fun of you.
Carro. Hey,
Carro.
you rolled it a bit, yo. Carro.
Carro.
Carro. I can't.
Carro.
Carro.
Well, it got better because at first when I met him, he would say carro.
Carro.
Es un carro.
Rata.
I was just making sure.
You see, brother, fucking. I think that is towards me.
Maybe your tail lights out.
Did you close the door?
No, maybe it's open.
No, because it would say in the front. No, it wouldn't. I don't think it would. Trust me.
Babe, what if everything fell out?
No, because I was like. Did you take the stroller down?
Yeah, I took the stroller out, but you still had like rags and
I'm pretty
stuff
sure if it was open, it'd say the rags. I don't care. The gas tank.
The gas tank's gonna fall out. Why does this eye look bigger than this one right now?
Petty wop, yo.
You suck at driving, babe. I'm pretty sure they're beeping at you.
I'm driving fine.
No, you're not. You keep swerving out. Doesn't he keep like swerving out a little bit?
Yeah, bro. You look kind of pale too.
You okay?
After eating that, those Kit Kats and that Gatorade, not really. That's why. Do you want me like to kiss you, like to give you like light back?
See, and everybody's moving from behind you. Like no one's. I feel like low-key something is going on. Like everybody keeps moving like lanes. You have no cars behind you.
Yeah,
that guy just cut me off.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you. There's probably something wrong.
You guys are full of shit.
Look at behind you. There's no cars behind you.
And you're even staring too, low key.
Oh, that was
See, that
what?
girl just gave you
That
a
little girl
dirty
that
ass
gave you a dirty ass look. That scared the shit out of me. She's like, I'm like, oh, okay. Yo, I can't find a parking spot. Right here, smart one. Hey, shut up. I'm just kidding.
You parked the furthest you could away from like everything.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
Like, it's okay that we're gonna walk, but
who's the one that's driving? Who's the one in control right now?
Who's the one that's adopted?
You pointed to yourself.
Well, I am the better looking one, so.
Someone's phone.
I mean, like, they
Your
always
phone's
say the older
ringing.
phone, but-
Let's see who it is.
Nope.
Bueno? Hello? Who is this?
Did you send it to him, Marisha?
He said it's Lisa's girlfriend. Who is this? It's Johan. Low key, I was like, who the hell is this? Hold on, you're gonna be on speaker.
We're in the middle of a video.
We're in the middle of a video, so say hi. Guys, I ordered stuff from
Yeah, for sure,
OOTD
yeah.
Fash. So pretty soon, you guys might be seeing a friggin' try-on haul and Luis bringing my outfits, okay? Uh-oh. Okay, he's getting off. And I think he's gonna see.
Are we gonna do nasty stuff?
It's cold.
You're right.
He walked right past it and didn't even see. I'm just gonna wait till he sees. I'm gonna put it in the frame to see if he like notices that there's something right there.
Those hogs were for me.
That's why. I told you.
And you guys knew. No freaking wonder.
He thought I left this thing open, guys. He just saw it. I ran back to get my sweater and he freaking turned around and he saw.
I was like, I could have sworn they weren't for me.
Well, this was a fail. You were supposed to get mad. But did you think something was open?
Yeah, at first I didn't think it was for me.
When did you start thinking it was for you? Do you like my handwriting?
When did you do that?
I was outside when you were cleaning.
That's why you didn't want me to go get the freaking, go put air in the tires.
Yeah, he wanted to stop by at the gas station and put air in his tires. It's so cold. And I was like, no, if he sees, don't rip it out so hard, be careful. And I was like, no, if he puts freaking air in the tires, he's gonna realize. Yeah, I made sure he wouldn't ruin the car.
Oh, it's just like no paint on it.
No, I made sure. Like I grabbed one and then I put it on and then I took it off.
Oh my god, if it ripped my paint off, I'd be so pissed.
Okay, guys, but now we're just gonna give you a little view of the truck. That's his truck. He's still gonna lift it and make it all nice, but we'll give you a good car tour in a bit, or like in our next video. Guys, I'm so freaking cold right now.
Dude, I could have sworn it was for the other car. I was like, no, it's not the car. It's not me. It's for the car in the back. You know what I thought? I was just like, maybe it's not like, maybe it's just a coincidence that I've heard
That
so many.
everyone was honking
No,
at
that
you.
I had so many honks. It was just like 4 or 5 honks that I've heard.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe that only like 4 or 5 people honked. Like there was so many cars behind you. We got on the highway, guys, and like he didn't really get that many honks.
Well,
Okay.
those papers were kind of small.
I
So
know. I
should've
tried to get like a big friggin' banner, but I didn't have time. It was like last minute. Okay, guys, so we forgot to take a thumbnail, so I had to stick those back on. That's why they're crumpled up, because he took them off. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We did change our channel's name. It's just Leslie and Louise now. So yeah, don't get confused. We'll explain later on. Because a lot of people were saying it was LLJ, and we didn't want it to be LLJ. It was just supposed to be LJ, but since we both have an L, that's why it was just LJ, but we ended up putting 2 L's, so maybe people think it was 2 L's, instead of just one. But anyways, we'll go into detail about that in another video.
And
it's so freaking cold.
Another thing, sorry for looking so crusty.
Yeah, we haven't gotten ready, so this is
That's
us in our
embarrassing.
natural habitat, guys.
But whatever.
All right, guys. So yeah, like we said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification.
And we'll see you guys next time.
And we'll see you guys in our next video.